Hello YouTube. I know people keep asking for the Wolf Grey Yeezy shoes, and the least version is from the Yeezy Bay. We got the other version before, and here's another look from them. So you can check from my videos to see which is better. And this one is much expensive, but don't think so. It's quality much better than. So check some details. The box is a little bigger than the replica one, and the tag here have no price tag. That is bad. I don't know why those making shoes are so stupid. They always make one mistake and one correct. And this is the back. That's back. You have the number 2 here. The mainly look of these shoes is the 3M. I want to show you. You can see but I don't think the other parts is good. Just show you the shoes. If you like, you can get this one. The scale is good. I think so. Also, this could grow in the dark. And the inside, okay, so if you like this version, just comment on my video, so we're gonna decide which we're gonna release for customers. And thank you, bye.